Welcome to the Color Coded Chef. Today we're going to fold a 3-stripe napkin fold. Step number 1, we're going to lay the napkin out in front of us. Step number 2, we're going to take the right side and fold it over. Step 3, we're going to take the bottom edge and bring it to the top. Step 4, we're going to rotate the napkin. Step 5, we're going to bring the top fold down. Step 6, turn your sheet over. We're going to take the napkin and we're going to do the next piece down, but we're going to tuck it in. Step 7, we're going to do the same thing. And we're going to tuck it in. Make our folds even. Step 8, we're going to rotate the napkin. We're going to flip it over. Step 9, we're going to fold 1/3 of the napkin. And step 10, we're going to fold 1/3 back. And now, on step 11, we can insert our silverware, and we have a 3-stripe napkin fold. Thank you for joining the Color Coded Chef.